I'm Alex and this is Justin, and we've taken time out of our working lives in Sydney to travel to some of Australia's most remote and beautiful places in our modified four-wheel drive, and we're filming our adventure along the way. So we've had an awesome few days in an apartment in Darwin, went to the markets, rode around on the cool scooters. Nick and Bianca very kindly took us out for an engagement dinner yesterday, which was awesome. We had a mud fight in the tunnel. Ugh, boys. But now we are off to hire a houseboat to go along Corroboree Billabong. I'll believe it. Unfortunately, Nick, being Nick, hadn't booked anything and realised that there was no car hires available yesterday, which was slightly of an issue because it's about an hour and a half drive to Billabong from Darwin. So some lateral thinking was required. Typical form of our trip to Darwin and the NT. Not much has gone to plan, but lucky Nick's pretty clever and a bit of a dad hack for you. If you're somewhere and you can't get a hire car, call up your local kennards and hire a tipper truck. So Nick's just over picking up their stallion to get us out to the houseboat for tonight, and yeah, it's a bit odd, but clever thinking, and it'll be hilarious anyway. So we'll cut to Nick driving. We're going to go on a houseboat, on a Billabong. Billabong.
So yeah, she'll go. It'll scrape past. Just because the wind's blowing. Yeah, no. So probably go right hand down a bit. And then as you come out, just keep her right hand down a bit and she'll swing around. Lovely.
You haven't gone. Oh, yeah.
Awesome, mate.
Thank you. That away. What are you going to catch, Nick?
Croc. Obviously.
A croc or a barra?
Yeah, on my 3 kilo line. $10.
You got any bait?
Yeah, you. That's alright. So we've come to the upper deck of the tub of a boathouse. Houseboat?
Houseboat.
This is the same thing, isn't it?
Same.
You enjoying the houseboat?
It's lovely, but I just want to see a croc.
We want to see a croc, and we haven't seen a croc. And apparently, it's still, this is the. I'm not sure I told Bianca this, but this is the waterway in the world with the most saltwater crocs. That doesn't make sense. It's got the most saltwater crocs in the world.
Great. Can't wait.
Well, we still won't see one though. Stunning there. Have a look at this.
I don't know what I came here for. Maybe closure or nostalgia. Don't recall how I even got here. Chances are I'll never see you. It was cold with our hands in pockets. Bitter snow in late November. If it was over, I never saw it. Where were you when it was empty? And where are you now? Around and around and around we go.
Justin, what bird have you found?
That's a blue neck, black feathered, orange legged stork.
Okay, that
really
rare bird.
You only find it here.
Is that the scientific name?
Yep.
Yeah.
It's quite long, so we call it orange leg for short.
Scientific name.
Shut up.
There's kangaroo.
I'm surprised you saw a kangaroo in the
Wetlands.
in the wetlands.
Yeah, wild boar, kangaroo, bird.
No crocs.
No crocs.
We have no camera because that's in the car, so we can't get any closer for you. But Justin's description is pretty apt, so we'll leave it there. Time to anchor for the night.
We'll see. Oh god.
Nick?
I'm pretty sure we'll make it. Crunch.
Can't find it, grind it. Brush your teeth, mate.
Come to a stop.
It's gonna be pretty that way later.
Yeah, that looks amazing. I'm gonna go.
Captain Nicholas.
Alright, chuck right.
Wait, he said to do something first, didn't he?
Just make sure the end's connected, hey. Oh yeah.
Woo!
Oh, that didn't get
We're still relatively close to this bank, by the way, compared to the middle.
Oh, alright, well fuck. Should we do it again?
Yeah.
Alright.
Attempt one, fail. It's really quite deep.
Heavy. That's not. It's not going to get into the propeller.
You sure?
Oh, that was so heavy.
You have to throw it away again, isn't it? No. Because we're going to drift. I guess we're going to drift anyway. We don't know.
Yeah, well if the wind goes from there, then we drift there. Does it still not hit the bottom? No, that's not the bottom. The thing would go pretty slack.
That's heavy.
Yeah, so.
Yeah. So that's the bottom.
Wow.
Still going down.
What? It'll
Yeah,
go
it's
out
just the
on
chain
the
there.
angle as we drift.
Alright.
4 cheese o'clock.
1 o'clock.
No. No. Mozzie management plan. What happens next?
Now we got to take
Oh,
down.
that's so pretty. I don't want to put down all the blinds.
Do you know how many mosquitoes are going to come and attack us?
Oh, I assume a lot.
I think most of them are in the blinds.
Yeah.
Lovely.
It does really.
But were you just giving fishing chips? Fishing, not fishing chips.
I was giving
Fishing,
Nick,
fishing tips.
yeah.
It was.
With a Louis, got to make it move,
yeah.
otherwise it just, it's a bit of plastic. The fish are never going to eat it. Alright.
So us girls have decided it's rosé time.
Always rosé time.
The boys are attempting to fish, not knowing how to fish, and probably will panic if they do catch a fish because they won't know what to do with it.
Nope.
So we're just going to chill up on our balcony and enjoy the view and the bird song before cheese and steak and bed. So we've got the cheese out.
Did we?
Nick's put on his finest outfit. And it's cheese and wine time on the Billabong. And the drone screen's turned off, so Justin's a little bit frustrated.
It's really annoying a little bit.
That lays it.
Maybe we have to get a new drone, hey? Anyone want to buy one out there for us?
Yeah, they crashed.
I'm a ghost moving through these walls, scared to see my own reflection. I feel the
with the sunrise.
Yeah, sun's about to rise. I got no sleep. Bugs and heat, bugs and heat.
I got heaps of sleep.
I got an alright sleep.
Bugs.
Hang on,
I got crease.
I went too high.
Breeze is so good.
Does your side feel like real greasy and gross?
Or do you go quicker? Aye, Captain.
Time to anchor up.
Yank it in. No, we're going over the top.
Aye, aye, Captain.
It's only
Nah, they're more. They're much more. And they're not that expensive.
So have you had fun on the houseboat?
Yeah, it was good. Didn't crash it, didn't drown.
Only saw a couple of crocs. You did see a couple at least?
Nick didn't catch any barras.
No, what a surprise. So yeah, that was it.
Yep.
It's time for Nick to trade in his tipper for a four-wheel drive camper.
Oh yeah, Mr. Tipper.
Can we tip it at least before you give it back?
I'll tip my my bags out.
Can I tip you out of it?
No, because I'll get caught up on the crossbar.
No, I just lie down flat.
Anyway, boring to the chat. So next up, Litchfield. Thank
Isn't
you very
next
much.
stop a pub?
No. Oh, this
yeah.
tonight. You're right.
Yeah.
Berry Springs.
Yeah.
Berry Springs. So yeah, over and out. Well, that was an epic night on the Billabong. Join us next time as we head towards Litchfield National Park. But first, Justin needs to park the boat. So Justin is going to try and park this thing, this moving house.
It'll be on the left-hand side of the existing.
I'm going.
No, you're going right.
How do you get reverse?
Keep going back round in.
You have to put it in neutral first though.
No, you can, but you just go straight through. You might want to go through
Oh.
There you are. It's like the world's slowest crash.
That's a bit like that.
I think you've done alright.
I'm drifting quite.
Oh, I don't know. We're going to punt into it eventually.
You done really? Oh, yeah, clear it.
I'm not going to clear
I'm
that.
definitely going to hit that.
Back a bit.
reverse.
No, I couldn't have got that much worse.
No.
Can you do it?
Faster. Nick, can you just do it?
No,
I can't boat.
I don't have a boat license.
Keep going, and then
Go all the way back and then give it many more berries. Go at more pace.
you have to go hard, right?